Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about how to make money simply by using AI art. Are you someone who loves art but struggles to create it yourself? Or maybe you're someone who wants to make a passive income without putting in too much effort? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'll show you how to generate unique and high quality artwork that you can sell for a profit without ever having to pick up a paintbrush. It's amazing to think that a single piece of AI-generated art has already generated nearly $497 in revenue. And the best part is, you can do it too. All you need is a few words and some secret prompts, and you can generate remarkable artwork that actually generates income. Before we dive in though, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's go. Now you may be asking yourself, how can one generate income from AI-created artwork? The secret lies in selecting the right tools for the job. For instance, I've become quite fond of an AI image generator known as Midjourney, which has rapidly become my go-to resource for crafting distinctive, top-notch visuals. The cherry on top, it's not only free to use, but also incredibly user-friendly. To get started, simply navigate to midjourney.com and sign up for a no-cost account. Once you've successfully registered, you'll be directed to their Discord server, which is the epicenter for all the artistic magic. Here, we'll be employing a cutting-edge multi-layer technique that enables us to design extraordinary and awe-inspiring masterpieces. These unique works of art have the potential to sell like hotcakes and making them an excellent source of income. Furthermore, the world of AI-generated art is constantly evolving, and by diving into this realm, you'll be at the forefront of a rapidly growing industry. As the demand for one-of-a-kind pieces increases, so does the potential for artists just like you to make a name for themselves in the digital art world. The sky's the limit when it comes to creativity and profitability. After that, you have to request an abstract-based image to work with, such as abstract neon art, by using the /image command in the Discord server. You'll be presented with 4 variations to choose from. Once you've selected your favorite and upscaled it to the desired size, simply copy the image link and head back to the Discord for the next step. Now it's time to merge the base image with a popular subject like Lamborghini to create a captivating piece. To do this, type in /image followed by the image link in your chosen theme. The final product will be a jaw-dropping futuristic fusion of Lamborghinis and abstract neon patterns that car enthusiasts will undoubtedly be drawn to. The trick here is to blend visually striking designs with trendy subjects that cater to specific interests and passions. To discover more about potential niches, consider using an AI chat box like ChatGPT. All you have to do is ask for a list of subjects that appeal to a particular demographic, such as men aged 18 to 30, and let the AI work its magic. With these suggestions, you'll have access to a vast array of unique artwork ideas that connect with a wider audience and potentially boost your sales. And don't forget, the possibilities are virtually limitless when it comes to combining different themes and styles. By experimenting with various combinations and staying up to date with current trends, you'll continue to produce innovative, in-demand artwork that keeps your audience engaged and excited. For example, let's say you want to cater to gaming enthusiasts who are on the hunt for captivating gaming artwork. You can use the same process to merge an abstract image with a game controller, resulting in stunning visuals that will undoubtedly appeal to gamers. Plus, by tweaking the aspect ratio, you can ensure that your creations are the perfect fit for a wide range of products. Once you've built up an impressive collection of exclusive, never-before-seen art, it's time to turn those masterpieces into profit. You'll have several options, such as selling digital images on platforms like Ecstasy, or using print-on-demand services to offer physical products featuring your AI-generated art. Ecstasy is a terrific marketplace for selling digital prints. To increase your chances of success, concentrate on niche keywords with lower competition, and utilize tools like E-Rank to strike the ideal balance between search value and competitiveness. By showcasing unique digital prints, you can potentially capture the attention of buyers who might want to display the artwork on their walls or even use it as a screensaver. However, my personal favorite approach involves using print-on-demand services like Printful.com. With print-on-demand, you can offer products like t-shirts, wall art, and more without the stress of managing inventory or shipping logistics. And thanks to AI-generated art, crafting eye-catching designs has never been more accessible or enjoyable. In addition to these methods, you can also consider partnering with local businesses or collaborating with other artists to expand your reach and tap into new markets. By staying active within the creative community, You have the opportunity to exchange ideas, learn from others, and continue growing your AI-generated art business. To get started, sign up for a free Printful account and create a product template for the item you've chosen to sell, such as home and living wall art. Make sure to upload your AI-generated image in high quality, suitable for the canvas size you're working with. If necessary, use an AI image enlarger. Create larger images without sacrificing quality. Once your product template is ready to go, you can sell it through a variety of channels. Printful offers numerous integrations, enabling seamless connections to platforms like Shopify. For example, you can create a Shopify store focused on gaming wall art and target gamers with motivational prints, similar to the Iconic store that targets entrepreneurs. Creating a Shopify store does require time and effort, but the results can be well worth it. To drive traffic to your store, think about partnering with influencers or YouTubers within the gaming niche. You can offer revenue splits or shoutouts in exchange for their promotional support. Although this approach may take more time, it can lead to considerable success in the long run. Another effective way to generate income from print on demand is by selling products on Etsy. By connecting your Printful account to your Etsy store, you can effortlessly add products for sale on the platform. Simply click Connect, follow the steps to link your Etsy account, create mockups, fill in the description, set pricing, and submit the product to your store. This process adds the item to your Etsy draft, and all you have to do is publish it to make it available for purchase, all while utilizing AI-generated art. But why limit yourself to wall art? You could also capitalize on this AI technology by incorporating the designs onto t-shirts and launching a t-shirt printing business using the print-on-demand model. I've personally experienced success with this approach, and it's a fantastic way to diversify your product and attract new audiences. To drive traffic to your store, consider partnering with influencers or YouTubers in your chosen niche, just like I mentioned earlier. You can offer revenue splits in exchange for their promotion. While this method may be more time-consuming, it can lead to significant success in the long run. So there you have it. By leveraging the power of AI-generated artwork, you can create unique and captivating images that you can sell on platforms such as Etsy and Shopify, or use print-on-demand services. With a little creativity and strategic planning, you can turn these stunning images into a profitable income stream, potentially earning as much as $497 a day. Embrace the endless possibilities that AI-generated art offers and watch your business thrive. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. I'd love to hear about your experiences with AI-generated art, so drop a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to check out other videos on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.